Hi guys, this is HardReset.Info channel, and today I will show you what to do when you have a problem that game not visible in your Google Play Store on your Lenovo Tab E10. To fix this problem, in the first step I will show you what I have on my mini. We try to install some games, maybe Mobile Legends, and we search it, but we don't have this game in our Google Play Store. To fix it, we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store, where we press our photo on the right corner and go to the settings. Now we choose family and navigate to parental controls, where we have now PG3 apply. We must change it to Download Mobile Legends. To do that, we click on that, enter connect pin to parental control, and now we can change it by press on PG16, confirm by got it, and save. Now we can go back to the Mobile Legend games, we search it, and now we have it. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye!